Good morning. Good morning. You're welcome to our Pharmaceutical Calculations BD 2253 continuous assessment on pharmaceutical measurements. Gift or Google, come out fast. Come and pick your questions. Number 88. $99. 62. All right, write them down on the board. Yeah, okay. Right, write them down on the board yourself fast. 62, 88, and 99. All right, your time starts now. All right, let's look at the questions again. For 62 says 4.4 pounds is equal to what? Dash kilogram. Of course, you know that 1 kg is what? 2.2 what? Pound, right? So that means you will move 4.4 pounds to kilogram. So 4.4 what? Pound is X. X is now equals to, or they are 9 aboard. Or they are 9 aboard. How will the correction be made? S is what? 1 kilogram times what? Let's take it step by step because of the weaker brethren. Okay? 4.4 pound over what? 2.2 what? Pound. So, pound cancel pound. 2.2 divided by 4 by 4 is what? 2. 2 times 1 kg is what? 2 kg. So what should be here is what? 2 kg. 99 says a former technician's weight. Is it 975?
Yeah. No, 475.
475. Okay, 475. Thank you. A former technician weighs 475 milligrams of a substance on a balance of dubious accuracy. When checked on a balance of high accuracy, the weight was found to be 445 milligrams. Calculate the error, percentage error in the first weighing. Now, remember our formula that percentage error is what? Error over what?
Desired quantity.
Desired what? Times what? 100%. Now, the pharmacist actually, let's look at the question again. He weighed 475 milligrams of a substance on a balance of dubious accuracy. When checked on a balance of high accuracy, the weight was found to be 445 milligrams. What is the percentage error? From these two things, that what do you think is the desired? For what? Is that the desired quantity?
No. Yes. Desired. We said 475.
Remember that he said that a technician weighed 475 milligrams of a substance on a balance of dubious accuracy. When checked on a balance of high accuracy, the weight was found to be what? 445 milligram. Calculate the percentage error in the first what? Weighing. So you are saying that what he had in mind to weigh is what?
475.
Is that what he had in mind to weigh?
Yes.
And he gave you that 475.
No, 445.
So what is the actual weight of that substance?
445.
What is the man is what? 475, right? So that means the dubious balance was playing along, right? He thought that it actually gave him what he wanted, right? But when he now he found out that the weight is actually what? So had it been he didn't cross check, had it been he did not cross check, he would have continued with the 4, thinking that he was adding 475 of the what? So what if you are the pharmacy technician? What would you do next? If you are the pharmacy technician, what will you now do next?
You find the error. Then what is the substance that make it 475?
I like how this lady reasons. Her reasoning is smooth. Keep it up. Keep it up. But let's, you know now. Let's if the beginning on door. But they are doing well. So actually, what he had in mind was what? 475. He thought he was actually weighing the 475 because the dubious balance showed him what? 475. So if he had continued, he would have added 445, thinking that he added what? 475. So the desired weight is what? Quantity is what? 475. But the error is what? 475 minus what? 45 milligram. Which is what? So the error in the first measurement is what? 30 what? Milligram. Am I communicating? So that means percentage error is now what? 30 milligram over what? 475 milligram times what? Times what?
100%.
What's the answer?
6.315.
Huh?
6315.
63.
6.315. 6.315.
Or 6.621. Yeah, it's not bad. This is what? The percentage error. The error is above what? 5%. It's not permissible. Is it permissible? Is this error acceptable?
No.
It's not, right?
Yes.
Because it's above what? 5%. Next, last one says calibrated syringe and pipette are for large volume, while industrial calibrated vessels are for small volume. True or false? False. It's the other way around.
Yes.
Syringe and pipette are for small volume. This one common sense. A secondary school SS1 student can answer this question.
Yes.
True or false? So far you've seen pipette, you've seen the syringe. You should answer this question. Even without, in fact, someone that is not even a science thing can answer this question. Syringe. Someone has sense. Syringe. Large. Volume. Bang. You should be able to, common sense, you should answer the question. Alright, so she scored what? 1/3. Gift. Gift. My assessment of you this morning is so poor. You need to wake up. Anybody that score anything less than 3 after sleeping with this thing over how many months need to go and work on herself or himself. Am I communicating? Anybody that after sleeping this thing with this thing for weeks, and you come here to fail any of the question, there's problem somewhere. It's a clarion call for you to go back and do what? Work on yourself and come up on a more serious note, because you have no reason to fail any question here. Okay. Yeah. Abia Uchiru to come out. Fast. Pick your questions. Alright, number 10. Okay. Number 10, 67, 77. Alright, your time starts now. Let's look at what she did. 1 food ounce is dash tablespoon dash. 1 food ounce is 30 minutes, right? So 2 tablespoons, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So here is 1 grain is what? See.
65 grams. 15 grams. Yeah, 1 gram. Sorry, 15 grams. 1 gram. Yeah, gram, not milligram. Yeah, it's gram. Okay, grams. 30 grams.
1 grain is how many milligrams?
65 milligrams.
What is it now? Keep quiet. 1 grain is what? 65 milligrams. Then how many? What is the ratio between grain and gram? 1 grain is how many grams? That's the question. So move this to what gram? Okay? Please, let's move this to gram, please. 1 gram is what? 1,000 what? So 65 grams is what? 65 milligrams is what? S is equal to what? 1 grain times what? 65 milligrams over what? So we have what? We have what? This is gram, so not grain. 65 over what? 1,000 what? Gram. So if 30 gram, if 1 gram is equal to what? 65 over what? 1,000 gram. 1,000. So if 1 grain is equal to 1,000 over 1,000 what? Gram. That means when we want to convert 30 gram to grain, so S is equal to what? 30 what? Gram. So S is equal to what? 1 grain times what? 30 gram over what? 65 over what? 1,000 what? Gram. So this is statement as saying 1 grain times 30 gram times what? 1,000 over what? 65. Are we together?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So, mba kuzuru fraction again.
Sir, we know it.
So, who is saying that is not with me? Mba kuzuru fraction again, okay? You are doing well. But what is 5 grams? So let's go. What happened? This you cancel this. So this time is it? Punch your calculator. What is the answer?
461.53.
4 what?
61.53.
4 6 what? 1 point what?
53.
Gram. 461 point what? 53 what? Gram. Now, Osiana, get everybody. What is it? The 1 gram is huh? Grain, thank you. It's a 1 gram is what? 5 gram. In Atamu. It's a 1 gram is what? 5 gram. What did you write here? I want to understand what you wrote. Let me even see how you got to this rate. Maybe you. Diagram, green. So the answer is what? 4 what? 461 point what?
5 green.
Green.
But I'm sorry,
What is it?
based on the table you note that says
15 grain is what? Please do this for me, please. Now 1 grain is what to what? Period. I told you this from the beginning that I'm using 1 grain is what to what? 5 milligrams. I said it. Whatever you are doing, convert this to what it is. I work with it, okay?
Of I see 1 grain equals to 1,000 milligrams or 1,000 grams.
1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams.
A gram beer.
What's that?
So you can convert 30 grams.
You can do what?
30 grams to milligrams.
It's not bad. If he asks a question now, if he asks, can we convert 30 grams to what? Milligram. It's okay, it's not bad. So if you convert it now, you have that 1 grain is what? That one is even shorter. That one is even shorter as well. 1 grain is what? 65 what? Milligram. Look at it here, 30 grams.
30 grams.
Look at it yourself. It's 30,000. Okay? It's not bad. Okay? Do you know why I insist on this? Because our pound, what we use, this, I told you this, I proved it in your class, that we have 60 milligram and 1 grain is equal to 60 milligram. 1 grain is equal to what? 65 milligram. I told you that the popular conversion factor we use, that 1 kilogram is equal to what? 2.2 what? Pound. It came from the fact that 1 grain is what? 65 what? The amount is not there. What do you think you are writing now? I'm saying something now. You are writing something after you go make mistakes. Please, in note taking in class, when your lecturer is talking, don't stop whatever you are doing and look up. That thing you think you are writing can wait. Hear what the lecturer is saying first before you know what you are writing. That's why your mind will be there. After writing, you say, you will deny me, say that I didn't mention it in class. Because your mind was not there. You are copying something else. I was dropping a very important point now, and none of you listened. God bless you. Now, next person. I was up and anyway, let's just solve it, no problem. One kilogram is what? 2.2 what? See. 2.2 pound. Therefore, S kilogram is what? 31 pound. S is now equal to what? Sorry, 3 pound. 1 kilogram times what? 3 pound over what? 2.2 pound.
1.3.
1 point what? 3 what?
6.
36 what?
kg.
Ifuga ebe mmiri si baa n'opi ụgbọgụrụ. Ifuga ya. Okay, ogbule ko so banye. All right, so ifura na ebe mmiri si baa n'opi ụgbọgụrụ, ije go cement mechie the place. Fire labors. Messia, come out. Image go. Come out. Putawa. Oto gị gbawara ọsọ. Bịa. I'm going to yeah, Kevin is a gift. Come. Give Kevin a gift. Thank you. Kevin is a gift. Why? Yesterday we are jumping about boom. You didn't stay one place. Today again, if you also you were here from there, boom, you gave no. Sit down, don't go. You will not go, sit down. I choose your questions. Okay. Yeah. Another okay. Be angry. Oh yeah, number 63, oh yeah. Messi, bed the was in our water. Oh yeah. I go get the board now. Ma chọrọ go chiga na minabe. Mercy, your time starts now. Your time is up. Give me. Oh, who knows for Lonya? Onya agoliva. Mercy. If you don't be a golia. You know, if you open them. Seriously, I am not happy. Seriously, I am not happy. I am not happy. I don't know. I know it's not easy, but I don't know. Seriously, I am not happy. Huh? Who left this place? Somebody should in between them. Okay, now let's see what Messi did. Okay, the first one says 8 food ounce. A dash teacups. Dash what? Milk. 8 food ounce is 240 ml. 1 teacups is 120 ml. Unafukosa mata nike. Unafria? Ona mata nike. Go na akwụ. Na-agụ na akwụ biko. Go. Ndubisi. I'm not here in a class. You know, I tell you the way it is. I don't have my own. I don't know what I do in this class. My class, I don't understand whether you are a member of my class or not. You come in anytime you like. You serve anytime you like. If you have been what is the issue? I've been for the past 1 hour from Ghana, from nowhere. You just appear, boom. You are discussing. You didn't want to go too close to find out what we doing here since. We're here gisting. I don't understand what you are doing in my class. Whether you are, I don't understand it. Onye be let get remorseful. Get close to onye no mgbe. lecture video. Forget what they have done. You are here gisting. Imagine the blood bag disappear. Can I? This is what 3,000 microgram is equal to what? Dash milligram. We know that 1,000 microgram is what? 1 what? Milligram. Therefore, 3,000 microgram is what? S. S is equal to what?
3,000 microgram times 1 milligram.
Times what? Over what? 1,000 what? Microgram, right? Microgram cancel microgram. The other is what? 3. Thank you. God bless you. This one is what? 25 pounds is equal to dash ounce. We know that 1 ounce is what?
16 ounces is 1 pound. 1 ounce, 16 ounces is 1 pound.
This is Avoirdupois ounce, hope you know.
Yes.
It's not apothecary pound. Okay, so what is it? What is it?
15 ounce. 1 pound.
So 1 pound is what? 16 what?
Ounce.
Yes. So that means what will happen next now?
25 pounds.
25 what?
No.
Is equal to what? What?
X.
So S is equal to what?
400.
25 pounds.
400.
1 pound.
This is not ounce, so it's ounce. Have you heard ounce here since? It's what?
Ounce.
This one we call 47. Okay, she didn't get the first one, right? Mercy, listen carefully. Do you truly know this?
Yes.
You forget ifele. Emoya kita. Nki emoya kita emoya. I know what I'm saying. You can just do multiply numbers and get a figure. You think you know it? That's why I'm asking you this question. Okay. Oh, your children has come out. Okay, come. $96. The last one. 44. Read them on the board. Take marker. 12, 44, 96. Okay, sorry, now. All right, your time starts now. Let's look at what she did. One pint is dash tablespoon, dash what? Male. Okay. So, okay, she moved 1 pint to 500 ml. And divided 500 ml by what? 15. 1 pint is what? 500 ml. So, how many teaspoonfuls can we find in 500 ml? How many teaspoons? Sorry, tablespoon. How many? Huh? The 2 dots.
No, 31.5. Then that goes with 32.
Now this one is 13.3 grain. Let's solve this thing first. The one inside is what?
25.
This is 2, 10, 20, 24, 10, 20, 24 and a half. So we have 1.3 times what?
24.
Grain. Are we together?
Yes.
So 1.3 times 24.5 is what?
That's 1.85.
That's 1 point what?
That's 1.85.
0.85. Are you sure? Are you sure? 1.3 times 24.5.
That's 1.85.
Okay. Grain. Can you do 25 points? You added them.
Yes.
This is before this. The relationship is what? Multiplication. It is not what? Addition. Okay? It's products. Okay? What did you do? Can you find what did Victoria eat this morning? Cake. So that's 1.85. So 1 grain is what? 65 milligram, right? Therefore, that 1.85 what is equal to what? S is now equal to what? That 1.85 times what? Over what? 1 grain. Grain cancel grain. We have that 1.85 times 65 milligram is what? Is what?
2070.2.
Huh?
2070.2.
If you leave it at this, I'll mark it. If you also leave it at 2070, but it's a number, leave that is okay. Leave like that. A torsion prescription balance has an SR of what? 4 milligram. Explain how you would weigh 5 milligram of hydromorphone and chloride with an error not greater than 5%. You'd like to as what? Diarrhea. Let's go. Let's go. So let's calculate the watts LW. It's what to what? Maybe take note too. Take notes. Share your code. You code, right? Good. So we have SI is what? 1 milligram over what? 5% times what? This values is what? 20. The answer is what? 80 what? So the weight should not be less than what? 80. So if you like, we can let's place what you want to weigh and the list you can weigh side by side and know how we can multiply that. So we want to weigh what? 4 milligram. And the least you can go is what? 80 milligram. So what can we do to get this? Multiply by what? Is it 5 what?
Yes, it's 5.
Okay, sorry. So what? Times what? So what to what? So we weigh 80 milligram of the what? Hydromorphone, right?
Yes.
We add
1,200.
1 what? 1 to 8. Is that what you got?
Yes.
Subtract is what?
1 to
We divide through by what?
5.
And you get what?
5 milligram. Divide by 16.
Divide through by what?
16.
You get what?
5
Plus what?
75.
Equal to what? So you are going to do what? Weigh what?
8 milligram of
Hydromorphone. Of what? Hydro what? It is morphine or morphine? HCl. Diluted what? Of what? To make what? 1,008
of hydromophone and lactose mix.
Hydromophone and what? Lactose what? Mix. Then weigh what?
80 milligrams of
What starting? You must not use 80. Be careful. I'll give you the precautions to take now. So I'll give you the precautions to take. So make sure you follow you take those precautions. You can use anything so far you can get what the answer. So far you can get still measure add what? The 5 what? Milligram. All right. So the score is what? 1/3. You know, I said that the idea is that when you have measured 80 milligram, when you have measured 80 milligram of the what is it called? Of the active ingredients, the idea is to add diluent to produce a mix from which you take a particular portion that will contain the milligram you are looking for. Okay, so you can, it's not, you must not be this amount. But the first of all, what they did is just simply to get it right, simply multiply 80 milligram by what? By what? Multiply 80 milligram by 16. What's the answer?
80 milligram. 128.
To make it simple, so keep multiplying by what you started with the multiplication before. To make it easier for you, to avoid guessing. 80 times 16 is what? Have you seen it now? So this we now, whatever you are going to get is will be the weight of both the active ingredient and the what? Diluent. From there now, you have known the weight of the active ingredient, which is 80 milligram. Then remove it from there, and you have the weight of the what? Diluent, which is now 1,002. After you divide through by that 16, it will give you what you are looking for. Okay. All right. Anosikoya. All right. 31, 41, 64. Nemaka. Sorry. 31, 41, 64. Start right. Your time is up. So let's look at what she did. We have 500 milligram is equal to that grain. 1 grain is what?
65
5 what milligram. Therefore, 500 milligram is what? X. So X is equal to what? 500 milligram times what? 1 grain over what? 5 milligram. Milligram cancel milligram. 500 divided by 65 is what? 7 point what? 69 grain. Number 41 says 65 milligram is equal to what? That's grain. 1 grain is equal to what? So simply put what here? 1. 64 says 25 kilogram is equal to dash milligram. 1 kilogram is what?
1,000
God bless you. 1 what? Because this will take us, 1,000 will take us to what? Gram. And that 1,000 will take us to what? So 1 kilogram is what? 1 million what? Milligram. So you have what? Which side?
The other side. 25 kg.
So S is equal to what?
25 million.
25 million, simple, right?
Yes.
25 million over what? So 25 million what? Kg. Is it kg? Huh? Which one is that? No. Please leave it like this. You can start moving it and make mistake. You fail it. To avoid issue, just leave it like that. Okay? When I was a student, there are some things I don't put my head into. Even though I know it. Even matter like that, jejely, they go my way. Because when you know you want to go and convert, you miss one, you fail it. What you solve though? Unless I was mandated, unless I'm mandated to put it in that form. If not, I'll leave it at it jejely and go my way. My aim is to count myself and be sure that my journey is complete. I pick. Okay, next one. Next one. All right, we have. Oh, it's okay. We have 1, 11, and 85. All right, your time starts now. So let's look at what she did. The first question says, if you receive a doctor's order, number 1 says you receive a doctor's order for 0.88 microgram of drug A. What is the equivalent in milligram? One microgram is what? 1 milligram is what?
1,000.
Therefore, 0.88 microgram is what? S. S is equal to what? Is what? 1 milligram times what? 0.88 microgram. Over what? 1 what? Over 1,000, sorry. Microgram. Microgram will cancel microgram. 0.88 divided by 1,000 is what?
8.8 times 10 is to minus 4.
8.8. Or
0. What?
0.88.
Are you sure?
Yes.
88 what? What did she get?
0.008 milliliter.
What is this one?
Not milliliter, it's not a milligram.
Huh? Is it what? You thought it's meal. It can't even be meal at all. There are no relationship. It can't even be made. These are two different units. This is volume. This is weight, volume. And one any relation, one long link. You say what? I wrote me. Huh? Oh, no problem. 1 teacup is equal to dash per ounce. It's equal to what?
120. Then 1 teacup plus 4 grams.
Here to here is 120. Taking it back here, it becomes what? 4. Because there are 15 ml in 1 food ounce. So that will be what? Divide 120 by 15. So think there are 30 ml in what? 1 food ounce. So divide this by 30 ml. You have what? 4. So 1 teacup has 4 food ounce and what? 120 ml. The narrower the bore of a measure, the more error the reading. So it's false, right? Yes. Okay, she got this one. So what do I do with you now? Huh? Do you know how to solve this thing? I keep saying this too in this class. If you play too much in this class, by playing I mean a class can be once in a while you losing a class, laugh and go back to business. But when I say playing, I know what I mean. I know what I mean. So someone will come to class and leave class up to 5 times. What are you doing outside? Making calls. I switch on the phone and keep it. Nothing will happen. See, my main line is here. Different calls from different places. My phone is on flight mode. Me and you who has more engagements. These 2 hours I am here with people. I know what it will do to you if I keep going out to answer call. I put it on flight mode. Me, a lecturer, I put my phone on flight mode. You are here going outside to answer call, up and down. You are waking man. That thing should wait. That call should do what? Let it wait. Heavens will not fall. These things are distractions. You go out, important point will be made. In what aim is here. I know how many of you that have left this class up to 5 times, 4 times, making calls, answering calls up and down. At the point I got tired of just stopping because I was like, I just ignored it and focused on what I came here to do. If me, it's my phone, it's like me. I don't even look at my second line. I'm in class. That call should wait. What will happen? Who needs this lecture more? Is it me? Those that need it are playing, jumping up and down with food, making calls. What's going on? Where have we got it wrong? You know, we have phone up and down. Keep this thing. Keep your side. Let it rest. Focus on why you are here. That is the word about equal important things in lecture. You pick it, you know it. If things like this, you be having issues up and down. We are too glued to this thing. When it comes to engagement, if you see my phone, if you open my phone, if you see how many groups I operate, if you see how many groups I manage in this phone, you be like, how come? How do I do it? This time is for lecture. They should wait. after we continue. Or they are also. You know how many contacts? How many? Can you not buy one that cannot wait? Next one is what? I think we are done here. We are intelligent. We are good, but we allow distractions to be dealing with us, but we don't know. This is our problem. That thing should wait. Let it wait. Nothing will happen. If your phone is down, won't they wait? I'm asking you a question. Won't they wait? Then why are you shutting yourself? Also, you okay? Let him wait. You are in class. Client, business, let him wait. You are in class. Achieve this first. Then, after you continue, nothing will happen. Do we saw come? $54. All right. 54, 59, 97. Sorry. $54, 59, 97. Sorry, yeah, 97. Keep that phone. Use this one. All right, your time starts now. Right, start writing. Let's look at what she did. Sorry. We have to convert 1 microgram to what? 1 milligram. So one microgram is what?
1 milligram.
Here should be what? 1 gram is how many mil?
5 mil.
A formula calls for 0.6 ml of a coloring solution using a 10 ml graduate calibrated from 2 to 10 ml. Is that what you have the question?
Yeah, 10 mil.
In 1 ml unit, how could you obtain the desired quantity of coloring solution? By the aliquot method. Use water as diluent. Okay, so
0.6
we have what? 2 to 10 minutes. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and what? 10. And we said that the smallest calculation is what? 1 mil. So here should be what? 1 mil, 3 mil, 5 mil, and what? So if that is the case, so the least volume you can measure with this is what? 1 mil. So if the least volume you can measure is 1 mil, what do we now do? So that means, but you cannot measure 0.6 mil, and the least volume is what? 1 mil. So what can we do to get something that will be equal to or above this? You multiply by what? 5. Okay. So when you want probability, what do you get?
1.2.
Can you measure 1.2 mil? Go see. After multiplying, wonderful. Can you use this thing to measure 1.2 mil? Go see. Come and show us how you measure it. IYI-ENU. In what 1 mil ever, you busy for 0.2. You cannot measure it, okay? Because you already be told that the minimum is what? 1 mil. So multiply by what? Times what? You have what? You can measure 3 mil comfortably here. So now you can go for that. So what else can we do now? So we have 3 mil and plus what?
2.4.
What should be here?
15.
What volume can I call 15? Blessing.
15.
Blessing. You say 15 mil. Blessing, can you measure 15 mil with this thing?
Sorry.
Oh yes. Under one.
It's 3 million.
You get it? Did you understand the question I ask her now?
5.
You cannot measure 15 mil with this thing.
It's 5.
5.
5.
Huh? 5 mil. Give me some better. See. Listen. I was here watching you. Someone came here and told you, but I go this is distraction. That thing is distraction. See, there's what you would not understand. You are moving from one atmosphere to another atmosphere. Before you come back and switch over to the atmosphere, a lot will happen. Learn this thing now and know how to handle when you are in class. No, nothing. Wait. We'll talk about that one later. These things, change of atmosphere, has a lot to do with your brain. You have to reset again before you come back. You are battling to set that. That's why you couldn't catch this immediately. But those that have been here with all their attention, solving things on their paper, have been immediately. I move this, they know exactly what we are going to. Because you switched off to attend to certain things. Before you switch back, it will take some time. This is what I'm trying to teach you, but you fail to understand it. That's why people that know what it means to attention, what attention means, they don't give room for anything. Wait, we'll talk later. Period. You may be here, you may be here and switch attention to discussion. You will miss a lot of things. Before you switch back to continue, someone that is here solving something, doing something, trying to solve the thing on the board, you're not listening to the person. You're not listening to the person. When you want to play. If it's time to play, do what? Play. At time to do something else, face it and do it. Don't mix it up. What's the question? Ask it. No, I said, you know, this is 3 minutes already now. She's also, as we are doing in our what milligram in our weight. She multiplied this 3 by this same 5 to get 15 mil. But the maximum capacity of the measure we're using is what? 10 mil. You can't measure for 15 mil. Remember, you have to mix this and this inside this thing to get 15 mil. It will pour away. So this cannot measure what? 15 mil. So you the volume here should be less than 10 mil.
It's 5 or 7.
Huh? 5.
Let's try 5. Another one. Try.
Remember anything you are using, anything you want to. Hello, are we together? Remember anything you want to use. Remember, anything you want to use. if you divide this, whatever here must be a whole number.
Yes.
Once you enter fraction, you cannot measure it. Once you anything here must, if you divide it by the factor you want to use must be a whole number. So here should be what? 5 mil can work here. If you divide 3 by 5. 10 mil can also work here. Extension wire. Are we together? Yeah. So if you use 5 mil, it will enter. If you use 10 mil, it will enter. But
Let's use 5.
if here is what? 5 mil. Here will come what? 2 mil. Divide through by what? 5. What will give you?
0.4.
Here is what? 0. 0. What?
6.
Here is what?
0.4.
4.
Yes.
And here is what? 1 mil.
That means that
Then
lactose can be.
Lactose what?
Yes.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that can you measure out this place? Then if you use 10 mil, see what you have. This is 3 mil plus what? 7 mil. 10 mil. Divide through by 5. We have 0.6 mil, 1.4 mil, and what? 2 mil. And what? 2 mil. All together. Huh? 6. You cannot measure it out. If you use 6 here, if you divide by 5, unless you start working on what you want to use to divide through. Unless you work, you can't use 5 there. Unless you start working on what you want to use to divide through, and whatever you want to use to divide through must give you 0.6 at the end here. So these are the adjustments you'll be doing until you get what you're looking for. What are you doing there? Chai. Okay, so here now you have what? No, you can measure 0.6, no 1 car. Huh? Yeah, you can. It's okay. It's not bad. So measure what? 2 mil. Of what? Of the coloring what? Dilute with what? Of what? Or what a can use? This question is not complete. This thing is steps. Anyway, no problem. Just dilute it. Just you're not wrong anyway. Measure what? 1 mil of the what? I think everybody's here has answered, right? The 5th quiz, everybody here has done their 5th one. Oh, right? Right, thank you. So I think what's time? We'll stop here. In our next, I should shift. Okay. In our next class, we'll continue from the 6th topic, dosage calculation.
Please, attendance.